Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can set the dark mode in your Google Docs app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do is scroll through your home page and click open the Google Docs app. So once you click the Google Docs app, you will end up in your home page of your app. So now all you need to do is click on the three lines on the left hand side of the corner. Here you can find the settings option, so you need to simply press on the settings. After you do so, you can see the theme option right there and you need to press on it as well. So once you press on it, you can see the dark mode on the top of the options. So after you click on it, your Google Docs will turn into the dark mode theme. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.